Welcome back to Paul DaFox. Today we're at Boot Hill Automotive Resurrection. My friend Ben works here, and he knew that I saw a Mercury Capri that they were working on. I last saw it in May of 2019, and Ben got a hold of me a few days ago and let me know that the car was done. So he got the okay from the owner, Blaine, for me to come and have a look at the car, so I'm excited to do that. But before we go in, we'll have a quick walk around outside, and I'll show you guys the Boot Hill setup here. All right, here's the Boot Hill setup. This whole commercial unit here, this is all Blaine's. Actually, he only sold out 2 units, one to Fireball Coating and one to Roth Automotive, just over there. The rest is all of Boot Hill's. So he has it kind of broken down nicely. You guys probably can't see it, but I'll point it out to you. You know, this unit over here, there's an upholstery section. There's a dyno tuning section. They actually have a Mustang dynometer. There's a paint body, fabrication, media blasting. They have final assembly. And of course, this is the main entrance here, Boot Hill showroom. And yeah, so we're gonna go inside, have a little chat with Blaine, and we'll take a look at this Mercury Capri, which I'm pretty excited to see. Here it is. Beautiful, beautiful car. Just gonna shut the door for a second. Let's start with the heart. Look at this motor, engine bay, beautiful. Making 700 at the rear wheel. Spinning the wheels a big time. Can easily make more power, but yeah, they couldn't get any traction on the dyno. I forget the exact name of the chassis that this is sitting on. It's a custom chassis. It's actually got Corvette spindles on the front, 275 wheel on the front, 355 wheel on the back, factory paint. Yeah, everything's been completely restored. Give a little walk around for you guys. Full tub. Let's take a look at the interior. Everything's been totally restored. Little delays here and there, but everything looks amazing. Beautiful. Stance is phenomenal. Just the way it's tucked in like that. So much clearance. you guys enjoyed the mini tour and seeing that Mercury Capri. It was an awesome build. Big thanks to my friend Ben for arranging it, and to Blaine, the owner of Boot Hill Automotive Resurrection, for allowing me to shoot it. Other than that, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. We appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.